Welcome to my channel, Dreamcatchers. Most of us might be thinking dreamcatchers are difficult to make and it needs much materials. Well, that was my opinion too. But it's really easy to make and I'll show you how to make it with few materials. So let's get into the video. Today I'm making dreamcatcher with bangles. So take the bangle and take embroidery thread and fold it into 5. And just tie a basic knot. See to it that the knot is tight enough and cut off the excess thread. Here I am using embroidery thread instead of woolen thread because woolen thread would be thicker and it doesn't look that good. And I'm doing a mini dream catcher, so embroidery thread would be more better. So once you cut, you just have to roll the thread over the bangle. While selecting the bangle, see to it that you select a plain bangle because it would be easier to work with. Once you are done with rolling the thread, once you reach the end, you just have to do this. See this step carefully. It's a bit tricky knot. Just look into it carefully and do as I have shown. Once you do this, get the knot to the place where you started, then tighten it. This we are making to hang the dream catcher. Then cut the excess part of the thread. I am applying glue here because I was not sure about the knot which I had put. If you are sure about the knot which you have put, you can skip this step. It's totally up to you. Now I have taken gel pen. It's good if you take a gel pen or a marker and mark 8 points around the bangle. Now take embroidery thread and insert it in a needle. Then take the end of the thread and tie a basic knot. Tie 2 knots and cut off the excess part of the thread. Have tied the knot in the first marking, so see it carefully. More than me saying, it would be better if you look into the video. After doing this step, bring the knot to the point which you have marked, the next point, and tighten it. Make sure you first get the knot to the marking which you have made and then tighten it. Once you start, it's really easy to make. And go on doing till you reach where you just started. So once you are done, you just have to do this now. Here, once you get that knot, you just have to bring that knot to the middle of that thread where you have inserted, then tighten it. Make sure you get it to the middle and then tighten. So this is where you have to insert the needle and get it below the thread, and then you will get a knot. So get it to the middle of the thread, then tighten it. So go on continuing like this. Just have to make it till you reach middle of the bangle. It's really easy actually. Next round, this is where you have to insert. Same step in this too, like you will have to get the knot to the middle, then you'll have to tighten it. Do it till you reach middle of the bangle. Here I've taken a white pearl just to make it look good. Just from back, just put a knot. Don't do this in front. From back you just put a knot so that the pearls are secure. I had put 3 to 4 knots. It's your wish how much ever knots you want to put. Don't put more than 5 knots. Then cut it. So the upper part of the dream catcher is ready. Now I'm doing the tassel. I didn't have feathers, so I'm doing tassel. Tassel is really easy to make. Same, I've taken embroidery thread itself. I've just folded it into like almost 5 to 6 times and just tie it above and cut the below part. I have taken needle and I'm giving that tassel look. You just use comb if you can, because comb will be more easier than needle. Needle will take lot of time, so better use comb. So our tassel is ready. The length, again it's random length. I didn't measure length. So now take the needle and thread and tie a knot behind, then insert pearls. So make 3 such. Now the length how you hang is all up to you. I am doing like middle one longer and the side 2 one bit shorter. Side 2 lengths are same and middle one is bit longer. Just tie 2 knots, basic knots, and just cut off the excess part. It will stay still. See, this is how I am doing. I'm gonna cut the excess part. Another tip while you're doing the upper part of the dream catcher, see to it that you take a long enough thread. So this is the final look. This is how it looks. I had made with like red color too. So here are some photos. Do try it and share the pics with me on Instagram. Hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.